Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Chrome theme. First, open your Chrome browser. Look for the Customize Chrome button, usually a small pencil icon, located in the bottom right corner of your new tab page. Click on this button to reveal a panel of customization options. Within this panel, you will find the Appearance section, which is where we will begin our theme transformation journey. This initial step is quick and easy, setting the stage for personalizing your browsing experience. Once in the Appearance section, click on Change Theme to open the Chrome Web Store. This store offers thousands of themes, ranging from minimalist designs to vibrant artistic creations. You can explore various categories, such as colors and themes for simple color changes, or artistic for more elaborate designs. Take your time to browse through the extensive collection. There is truly something for everyone. Finding a theme that perfectly matches your style is part of the fun. After you have found a theme you love, simply click on it to see a preview. If you are happy with your selection, click the Add to Chrome button. Your browser's appearance will change instantly, reflecting your new theme. If you ever wish to go back to Chrome's original look, simply return to the Customize Chrome panel, navigate to Appearance, and select Restore Default Theme. This makes managing your themes incredibly straightforward and flexible. Changing your Chrome theme is a fantastic way to personalize your browsing environment. It is more than just a visual update. It is about making your digital space feel more like you. Beyond themes, you can also set custom backgrounds or even upload your own images for a truly unique experience. A personalized browser can make your daily online activities more enjoyable and engaging. Experiment with different combinations to create your perfect Chrome setup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.